Welcome, friends and family, to Sherry's Kitchen. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Sherry, but some call me Nana and some call me Mama D. So come on in. There's always room for more. Come on. Remember, in Sherry's Kitchen, we like to do things really simple. So today, we are going to be doing a dressing called Spicy Green Pepper Ranch Dressing. And here we go. This is what we're going to be doing today. Remember, it's going to be simple. This recipe is coming from Jurea Dawson's second book called More Real Foods. And on page 50 is the recipe for those of you who have the book. And this book can be obtained from Amazon under the name Jurea Dawson. So I'm going to read to you the recipe first before I actually demonstrate it. It's on page 50, and it's the Spicy Green Pepper Ranch Dressing. It calls for 1 cup of cashews, 1 medium green pepper, remove the stem and the seeds, 1/2 cup of lemon juice, 1 cup of soy milk, or you can even use almond milk, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. And that's optional if you don't want the extra heat. And then you're going to put all these ingredients into an electric blender and blend until smooth and creamy. So as you notice, this recipe has no free oils and no other ingredients that are harmful. Matter of fact, it has herbs in it that are actually medicinal. So hang on, let's see how this works. Okay, simple it is, and simple here it comes, okay? Everything is going to be done in the Vitamix. If you don't have a Vitamix and you have a regular blender, you'll just have to blend it a little longer. Or if you have a Blendtec or a Bullet, it may do just as well, okay? So we're going to start putting all our ingredients in this particular blender, Vitamix, okay? First we're going to put in our green peppers. Now mine were frozen because when summertime is here, I tend to freeze the extra so that I have them during the winter time. So I have the 1 cup of a medium green pepper cut up. Then we have our 1 cup of cashews. Then we have our 1/2 cup of lemon juice. And we have our 1 cup of almond milk I'm using today. And then we have all of our seasonings together, okay? That will be the oregano, the cumin, the Italian seasoning, the garlic, onion, and salt, and the cayenne, okay? Here we go. So that's all our ingredients. Isn't that simple? Now it's just a matter of blending it until it's nice and creamy. So it's going to be a little noisy, but we'll come back as soon as it's finished. Alrighty, it's done. Alright, so let's look and see what we have. We're going to put this now in a canning jar. Not that we're going to can it, but to store it. I use canning jars for almost everything in my kitchen. Okay, so let's see how much we got. I'm going to pour that in here. Now this dressing is a little bit thinner than some, but it's creamy. If you want it to be a little bit thicker, then add more cashews. Looks like we got 2 pints. And this dressing can also be used as a dip. You can even spread it on bread for if you have a sandwich or a patty, especially if you make it thicker, okay? So here we go, 2 pints of spicy green pepper ranch dressing. Let's give this a try. It is so good, and I hope you give it a try. And if you like it, please share this video with others so that they will get this information. So for you, I want you to subscribe. I want you to hit that notification bell for future videos. Thank you for coming. We really appreciate you coming into my kitchen. And so, see you next video. I love you. God bless you. Bye-bye.